welcome back to Storytime! Today, I'm going to read you another story, which is called Don't Push the Button, an Easter Surprise. Written and illustrated by Bill Cotter. But before we get started, please subscribe and like. So, let's get started. Don't push the button. Oh, hi there! I'm Larry, and I'm so excited for Easter. Aren't you? I know what you're thinking, but we shouldn't push the button. Seriously, for real. But I don't think the Easter Bunny is looking. Go ahead and push! Ah! Where did the bunny ears come from? Try pushing the button 2 times. Eep! Now I have a bunny nose and whiskers. Quick, push the button 5 times. Ooh, we got 5 eggs. Tap each egg to add some color. Let's tap each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Decorate your eggs with your fingertips to make them extra special. Okay, let's do it. But look at Larry, he's so cute when he is a bunny. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Beautiful! Now shake the book up and down to dry the paint. Okay. Oh no! All that shaking made the eggs go flying. Can you blow on the grass so we can find all of them? Almost. Just blow a little harder. There they are. Count the eggs as you slide each one into the basket. Make sure you get them all. Let's take the rainbow one first. 1, 2, the star one. 3, the striped pink and yellow and blue. 4, the polka dot. 5, the green and yellow. Thanks, buddy. You helped me make the best Easter ever. And don't you see what's in the basket? There's a big, giant, juicy red egg button with all the little eggs. Happy Easter, everyone! It's almost Easter, and Larry is so excited, but whatever you do, don't push the button! Don't push this button! The end! I hope you enjoyed the story. Make sure to subscribe and like! I'll see you later in another story. Bye, reader